Hey there, fellow airsoft enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to share my first impressions and thoughts on 6 exciting airsoft guns I've had the pleasure of testing in 2023. Lancer Tactical, First Gen. First and foremost, I received the Lancer Tactical First Gen airsoft rifle, and I must tell that I am quite impressed. It felt strong and well made right out of the package. The polymer build seems tough, and the rifle has a decent weight to it, giving it a robust feel without being too heavy to manage. When I first brought it to the range, I was astounded by the accuracy and range it provided. The adjustable hop-up mechanism helped me to fine-tune my shots, and focusing on my targets was a snap. When I needed to lay down some significant suppressive fire, I could quickly switch to full auto. The included magazine had a decent capacity, and I appreciated that it fed smoothly, without any jams or misfeeds. It was also reasonably simple to load, which is useful when you're in the thick of a fight and need to reload quickly. Overall, the Lancer Tactical First Gen exceeded my expectations, particularly given its low price. It's a dependable and accurate airsoft pistol that's ideal for both new and expert players. Next, we have the GoldeBall D99 LPEG. My early thoughts on the GoldenBall D99 LPEG airsoft rifle were mixed. While it's quite light, which might be beneficial for lengthy games, the plastic build seemed a little fragile. However, appearances may be misleading, so I was curious to see how it performed on the field. I was pleasantly amazed by its performance after I started using it. The rate of fire was astounding, and it made for a fast-paced and enjoyable gaming experience. Because of its small size and lightweight build, it's ideal for close-quarters fighting. Accuracy is adequate, but you'll need to get up close and personal with your targets to secure frequent hits. Although the provided magazine carried a sufficient number of BBs, I found myself reloading more frequently than I'd prefer. So, in all, we can conclude that this GoldenBall D99 LPEG is a low-cost alternative that is best suited to gamers who prefer fast-paced close-quarters combat. It's not the most durable option, but it delivers where it counts, an exhilarating gameplay experience. Next, we have the Byrna TCR. This Byrna TCR is not your typical airsoft weapon. It's more of a non-lethal self-defense weapon, and I was interested to see how it worked in a battle simulation. To begin with, the build quality is excellent. With a sleek and futuristic appearance, the TCR feels robust and well-engineered. It's simple to use, and the textured grip ensures a firm grasp. When I first shot it, I was blown away by the power and precision it provided. The CO2 cartridge supplied a steady supply of pressure, and the rounds delivered a pleasing impact. The adjustable sights made precision aiming possible, and the TCR proved to be extremely accurate within its effective range. The magazine's capacity is restricted, which might be a disadvantage if you're up against numerous opponents. However, the rapid reload function made up for that, allowing me to return to action quickly. While the Byrna TCR is not an airsoft pistol in the classic sense, it is a good alternative for people searching for a non-lethal self-defense solution that also provides a fun and engaging shooting experience. The Elite Force M4 AEG comes next. This is a legend in the airsoft industry, and I was curious to see if it lived up to the hype. The build quality was obvious right away. This rifle feels like a beast. When I took it to the field, it operated flawlessly. The adjustable hop-up mechanism let me fine-tune my rounds for optimal accuracy, and the full auto shooting mode was a lot of fun. It felt like a genuine workhorse, delivering rounds exactly where I wanted. I love not having to reload as frequently because the high-capacity magazine contained a lot of BBs. During hard gameplay, the magazine also flowed smoothly, eliminating irritating jams or misfeeds. The one disadvantage I discovered was that the weight of the pistol, especially with extra modifications, may get tiresome after long battles. However, the performance more than compensated. In the end, this Elite Force M4 AEG is a dependable and powerful airsoft rifle that is suitable for gamers seeking precision and flexibility on the battlefield. There's a reason it's a real classic. BBTac. For those new to the sport, the BBTac airsoft gun is an excellent entry-level alternative. At first inspection, it appeared to be well-constructed and durable. The design is straightforward, which isn't always a negative thing for novices. It performed excellently on the field. The semi-automatic firing mode gave an intuitive shooting experience that was quick to master. The accuracy was adequate but not extraordinary, and it is ideal for novices wishing to get their feet wet. And then again, the magazine held a good amount of BBs and fed them without issue. Reloading was simple, which is important for novice players who are still learning the ropes. While the BBTac may not have all of the bells and whistles of more complex airsoft guns that we discussed before, it is a solid alternative for newbies looking for a low-cost entry point. It's an entry point into the world of airsoft, and it does the job without breaking the wallet. Finally, there's the Elite Force Glock 17 Gen 5. Guys, believe me when I say that this is an excellent addition to any airsoft enthusiast's armory. I was immediately struck by its realism and attention to detail. The weight and feel of the pistol are eerily similar to those of a genuine Glock, making it a fantastic training tool for those who are already comfortable with the real thing. This airsoft pistol did not disappoint on the field. The blowback movement enhanced to the realism, making each shot seem fulfilling. The accuracy was excellent, and it frequently struck the target. The adjustable hop-up enabled precision tweaking to adapt to changing shooting circumstances. The magazine carried a good number of BBs, and the gas economy was impressive. I discovered that I could go through multiple magazines on a single gas fill, which is a huge benefit when playing for lengthy periods of time. While the Elite Force Glock 17 Gen 5 is more expensive than some other airsoft handguns, it is definitely worth it for individuals who value realism, accuracy, and dependability in their airsoft sidearm. It's an excellent option for both training and games. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into these 6 airsoft guns, each with its unique features and performance.